Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Conf42 Machine Learning 2023. In the world of rapid evolution of AI, it is important to catch up with the latest insights and findings. Before we start, we'd like to invite you to our Discord server, where you'll be able to meet other attendees and speakers. Please head straight to the hashtag Machine Learning channel. This event was brought to you by silver sponsors, Unpack.tech, the newsletter partner, and our media partners. Conf42 Machine Learning 2023 opens with a session by Noa Goldman, lead product manager at Jaspal, a hitchhiker's guide to the mlops experience.
We'll be speaking at the Conf42 this May with the Hitchhiker's Guide to the MLOps experience. It's all about getting into the mind of an ML engineer and helping them solve their daily problems and create a better approach to their MLOps UX and UI experience. See you there.
Alejandro Cantos, VP of Product at Barbara, will now introduce you to MLOps at the Edge.
In my talk, I'm going to show you why the Edge is the new cloud. I'm going to show you many applications that should not be trained in the cloud, that should not be deployed to the cloud, and that should not put their data through the cloud. Because now there is a better way for certain applications. Edge computing comes to the rescue. And I'll show you why edge computing is disrupting away the industry and why it's taking a huge chunk out of the cloud industry, especially when it comes to MLOps. Stay with me and you'll see why the Edge is the new cloud.
Tamara Janina Fingerlin, developer advocate at Astronomer, joins in to help you orchestrate data and machine learning workflows with Apache Airflow.
Hi everyone! I'm super excited at this Conf42 conference to give a talk about how to orchestrate your data and machine learning workflows in Apache Airflow. First, I'm going to give a little crash course about Airflow, so no worries if you have never used it before. And then I will walk you through a whole pipeline that orchestrates both data engineering actions and actions that are part of MLOps in one place in Apache Airflow. And while I walk through that, I will try to highlight all kinds of features that I think are useful for you if you want to build your own ML pipeline. So super excited to see you there, and I hope you have a great conference.
Akmal Chaudhri, Senior Technical Evangelist at SingleStore, will showcase using WebAssembly for in-database machine learning.
Hello everyone, I'll be presenting a session on using WebAssembly for in-database machine learning at Conf42. Be there or be a square.
Matt Harrison, Python and data science corporate trainer and consultant at Metasnake, is here to tell you more about Polars, a highly optimized data frame library.
Hi, this is Matt Harrison. I'm excited to be talking to you about Polars. Polars is a data frame library that allows you to manipulate tabular data at very fast speeds. Hope you'll enjoy the talk.
Argo Saakyan, computer vision engineer and researcher, is the next speaker. Cascade models in computer vision to boost accuracy and performance.
I'm going to talk about little computer vision technique, which is useful when you want to process video stream 24/7 and you want to have less false positives.
Logesh Kumar Umapathi, lead machine learning research engineer at Sama Technologies, will now teach you how to unlock reasoning and planning abilities in large language models.
Hi, I'll be talking about recent advancements in large language models, particularly how to elicit reasoning and planning abilities from the LLMs. So looking forward to the talk and connecting with you all in the conference. Thank you.
Abhiram, Ravikumar and Jaspal Singh Jhass from Collison join us for the next session. From data to discovery, unveiling clustering and bare topic modeling.
Hi everyone, I'm Abhiram.
And I'm Jaspal.
We'll be presenting a talk on data to discovery, unveiling clustering in bird topic modeling. I'll be taking you through an overview of the bird topic technique and presenting a real-world scenario using the Amazon Alexa dataset.
Then I take a deep dive into HTTP scan one of the clustering algorithms used in BERT topic. We also compare it with other popular algorithms and present its strengths and weaknesses. Really looking forward to this talk and hope you all enjoy the conference.
Gaurab Patra, the co-founder of Flurgo, joins in to address generative AI that enables crowdsourced interactivity.
Hi folks, thanks for joining my talk on how can generative AI potentially enable crowdsourced interactive content creation as well as creative consumption. I'm founder and CTO of Flurgo, an active contributor to open source, and consider myself as a chaotic builder. During my talk, I'll try to go deeper into the progress and potential of generative AI, how people will interact with the content and your stories in future, and a simple example of a gamified interface which can be created in less than 5 minutes with generative AI. Thank you.
Yogesh Seenichamy is here to talk about utilizing the power of machine learning in healthcare.
Hey everyone, I'm Yogesh Seenichamy and I'm a speaker at Conf42. I hope you guys will join me in my talk about utilizing the power of machine learning in healthcare, where we'll apply a neural network to the problem of predicting heart failure.
Daniel Svonava, the co-founder of Superlinked, is here to talk about vector apps, how to run vector embedding-powered apps in production. Zain Hasan, senior developer advocate at Weaviate, is here to introduce you gently to vector databases.
Please join me for my talk on vector databases, where we're going to separate the hype from reality. We're going to talk about how vector databases can help you in the apps that you're developing and what they really excel at. Thank you, everybody.
David Kjerrumgaard, developer advocate at Stream Native, will now show you how to build machine learning enhanced event streaming apps with Java microservices.
So let's talk about the agenda for today. We'll start with why Apache Pulsar is a great fit for event-driven microservices and how to build an event-driven microservices applications with Pulsar functions. Once we've shown you how to develop a basic Pulsar function, we'll enhance this event-driven microservices to include a machine learning element to it.
This is all we've got in store for you today at Conf42 Machine Learning 2023. As always, FreeRSVP unlocks all the content. Many thanks to our speakers, partners and sponsors for making this whole thing possible, and to you for being with us and attending. We hope that you'll find the sessions presented interesting, and we invite you to join our Discord server to have a chat with everyone. That was Mark, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your time at Conf42 Machine Learning 2023. Cheers!